Hey there, happy nurses. My name is Brittany. Welcome back to our channel today. We have something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you're a fan of natural wellness and love a little surprise each month, you're going to adore this. We've partnered with Simply Earth to bring you their amazing monthly essential oil box. Each month, Simply Earth curates a delightful selection of essential oils, recipes, and goodies that make it easy and fun to embrace the benefits of aromatherapy. Let's dive in and see what this month's box has in store for us. Whether you're looking to enhance your self-care routine, creating a calming atmosphere, or just explore new scents, this box is sure to have something special for you. So let's dive in and see what we got this month. So each box comes with 4 essential oils and all of the stuff that needs to be included in each recipe. So let's see what we've got this month. It looks like dried rose petals. Ooh, interesting. We'll see what that is used for. It looks like these 3 cups. Not sure what they're used for just yet. And then this looks like cocoa butter. It kind of spilled a little bit, but it should be okay. It's still good. It's still sealed. And then one thing that I noticed that they started doing with each of the monthly boxes is including these 0 to Hero cards. And you can earn badges for different things. This month, it looks like Bath and Spa Hero. And so inside, they just kind of give you the ingredients and suggestions of what you can use. They've got QR codes that you can scan to get recipes and things like that. Super fun. Each box comes obviously with the stickers for all of the things that you're going to make. And every 6 months, you get a box of roll-ons and diffuser blend bottles as well for being a subscribing member, for getting the box each month. And then each box has 5 different ingredient recipe cards for things that you can make. This one says bath fuzzing fairy dust. Interesting. Chocolate roll-on bath melt. Rest Easy Roll-On, Dreaming Sugar Scrub, Peaceful Forest Diffuser Blend. That might smell good. Bergamot Cocoa Bath Cleanser. That seems like fun. Okay, so the oils that we got this month. This one is Sleepy. Fir Needle. This one is Bergamot. And Tranquility. Remember, by joining our membership, you're not only treating yourself to these wonderful products, but you're also supporting our mission at Happy Nurse Shop to bring joy, relaxation, and touch of luxury to all amazing nurses out there. Thank you for being part of our community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an unboxing. Let's explore these fantastic oils together and make the most out of our self-care journey. Ready to get started? Let's go.